If your CapCut video or picture says deleted or moved, don't panic. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix missing media in CapCut PC, relink your files, and get your project back on track fast. This is a very common problem when your original video or photo gets renamed, moved to another folder, or accidentally deleted from your computer. The good news is, in many cases, you can fix it in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tips and CapCut tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut PC and load the broken draft that has the missing video or picture. Once the project opens, CapCut may automatically show a warning pop-up telling you that some media files are missing. If that happens, look for the Link Media button and click it right away. This is the fastest way to reconnect the missing file to your project. If no pop-up appears, don't worry, you can still fix it manually. Go to your timeline or your media library and find the clip that appears red, offline, or broken. Right-click that missing clip and choose Link to Media. That will open the relinking window where CapCut asks you to locate the original file again. Now, before you browse for the file, look for the Check Adjacent Files checkbox. Make sure that box is ticked. This is important because if you have multiple files in the same folder, CapCut can repair more than one missing asset at the same time. That saves you from having to relink everything one by one. After that, click Browse or locate the missing file path and open Windows File Explorer. Now navigate to the folder where the file was moved to. If you renamed the file or moved it into another folder, find the exact matching video or image and select it carefully. Then click Open. CapCut will scan the folder, reconnect the media, and refresh the project timeline. In most cases, the missing clip will immediately come back into your edit, and your project should look normal again. Now, if you deleted the file completely, this is a little different. CapCut cannot display a file that no longer exists on your storage drive. So if you accidentally deleted the original photo or video, your first step is to open the Windows Recycle bin. Search through the deleted items and look for the media file name. If you find it, right-click the file and choose Restore. Once the file is restored, go back to CapCut and open the project again. The timeline should automatically refresh and show your media back in place. If it still doesn't update right away, try closing and reopening the project so CapCut can detect the restored file. A quick tip here. If you want to avoid this problem in the future, always keep your project files organized in one main folder and avoid moving raw footage after you start editing. It also helps to back up your important videos and images before making changes. That way, if a file gets lost, you have a second copy ready to use. And if you ever see the missing media warning again, just remember the basic steps. Open the draft, click Link Media or Link to Media, tick Check Adjacent Files, locate the file in File Explorer, and restore deleted files from the recycle bin if needed. That's really all there is to it. Once the file is relinked or restored, your CapCut project should work normally again. If this video helped fix your broken draft, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more CapCut fixes, editing tutorials, and software how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.